What's up everybody, Johan here from Trading Walk, and in this video we're going to look at multi-time frame analysis and basically finding good levels using the Fibonacci retracement. And guys, this is very important. To succeed in trading, you want first a trend, second you want good levels, and third you want good buy and sell signals. So basically in a buy scenario you want an uptrend and you want a support level, and at that support level or after the bounce of that support level you want good buy signals. In a down scenario you want bearish trend and you want price at a resistance level, and at that resistance or after a bounce off that resistance level you want sell signals. So I will show you exactly what I mean here, and I will show you how to find a trend, how to find good levels using Fibonacci, and how to find these signals. So let's analyze this chart here. This is a daily chart of USD JPY. If we look at Fibonacci, when you have a top and a bottom, as soon as we have a higher high, we basically have an uptrend. So that's the first step. And now you want to find good support and resistance levels. And basically the best support level in an uptrend is the 50% Fibonacci. And the same thing for downtrend. The best resistance is the 50% Fibonacci. So when you're in an uptrend and you have highs and lows, and you want to find a retracement to the 50%, you basically always in an uptrend you draw the Fibonacci from the high. So we'll draw from the right to the bottom on the left. And here you see we come down to the 50%, and as long as we don't get 3 closes below this level is still intact. And you see the 38.2 is also a strong level. So what you want to do when you use multi-time frame analysis and when you trade in the direction of the trend at support levels, you want to find buy signals here. So when we come down to the level, you want to start looking for buy signals and trade those buy signals up to the nearest resistance and the take profit targets. So the 100% is always going to be a resistance level. So if you see bearish price action at the 100%, you need to be ready to close your trade. And you see here, you basically have a failed breakout and then price immediately reverse back down. Now, when we break both this low and this low, this is indicating us that the trend is now down. So for downtrends, you want to draw the Fibonacci from a bottom on the right to a top on the left. Doing that, you will get the Fibonacci 50% and the 38.2 like this. And looking at this chart here, we can see that right at the 50%, which is a very strong resistance level, you get bearish action. And finding signals on a lower time frame here will give you very good trades. And basically you have first the 100%, then the 127.2 and 161.8. So basically if you want to keep this really simple, you have your entry on a signal on a lower time frame, you have your first take profit at the 100%, second take profit at the 127.2, and third take profit at 161.8. And you see, only need a few of these trades to be really successful. So basically finding trend pulse pro sell signals at this resistance in a bearish trend will give you a very high win rate and profitability, because you can take small risk trades with very big reward. And you see, as soon as we break this low and we reach our take profits here, we can draw a new Fibonacci. And since we're in a downtrend, we want to draw from the low on the right to the top at the left. And we see we don't reach the 50% here, so we can move left and we move our Fibonacci down. So basically here, you see we come up to the 50%. Taking sell signals here down is going to be very profitable. Same thing here, basically you come up and make this double top in a bearish trend at Fibonacci resistance, and bang, beautiful trading. You can draw a new Fibonacci like this, and we see we don't quite reach the 50%, move it down here, and when we're at the 50% we want to see sell signals here. Sometimes you will not get sell signals and price will just move up, and if we see this kind of price action here, when the 50% breaks, that's an indication that the trend is weakening. And when the trend is weakening, we want to be aware that we might get buy signals. So basically these tops here breaks and we get price moving up above 50% resistance. Now, what you want to do then is basically just draw a new Fibonacci buy. And like I said, when we're looking for buy opportunities, we draw the Fibonacci from a top on the right side to a bottom on the left side. This will give you this Fibonacci. And you see here that we make a move down to the 50%. And if we move down to a 4-hour chart here, so if we look at the 4-hour chart here, and this is the 50% in the bullish trend, and if we add a trend pulse pro to this, we will see that we had nice buy signals here up, and then the retracement down. Basically this sell signal here, you could have scalp, but since you know that this is the 50%, which is a strong support level, you don't want to hold this trade long. And you see immediately after that, you actually get a buy signal here, and this would give you a very good risk reward and a huge profit trade. And the time you're in the trade is very effective. It's basically entry and right into the first take profit. Same thing here, entry right into the first take profit. So beautiful trades. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how you use multi-time frame analysis to find better trades. Basically, you want trend, you want to use Fibonacci to find a good level, and then you want to enter on trend pulse pro signal on lower time frame. Hope this helps. Good luck.